EzPromote AI is one of the most exciting AI tools that has just been released. And today, I'm going to reveal 7 crucial things you need to know about it. This is your go-to tool if you're looking to streamline your digital marketing efforts and drive real results, so stick around until the end to see why it might just be the best new software on the market. First things first, EzPromote AI is designed for entrepreneurs, marketers, and businesses that want to boost their online presence without spending hours on manual work. This AI software helps you automate your entire promotional process, from content creation to social media management and ad optimization. In essence, it's a game changer for anyone who needs to promote their brand effectively, and you can try it for free by clicking the link below. One of the key features that sets EzPromote apart is its ability to generate high-quality, engaging content almost instantly. It uses advanced natural language processing algorithms to create blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts. This means you no longer have to spend time brainstorming ideas or worrying about writer's block. EzPromote AI essentially becomes your personal content creator. But that's not all. This software also features smart ad optimization tools. It analyzes data from your campaigns in real time and gives you tailored recommendations to improve your performance. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or even Instagram promotions, EzPromote will ensure you're getting the best return on investment without the guesswork. Another feature worth noting is the advanced social media scheduler. We all know how time-consuming managing multiple social media platforms can be. With EzPromote AI, you can schedule posts for the entire week or even month across all platforms with just a few clicks. The tool will even suggest the best times to post based on your audience's engagement patterns. Now let's talk about its analytics dashboard. The software offers powerful insights into your campaigns and audience behavior. You'll be able to track every metric, from click-through rates to conversion rates, and use that data to make informed decisions. This level of detail is something that usually requires expensive tools, but EzPromote makes it accessible and easy to digest for any user, even beginners. One of the most impressive things about EzPromote AI is its integration with other popular platforms. It seamlessly works with your CRM, email marketing tools, and even your website analytics. This means you won't have to jump between different platforms, as everything you need is available in one place, giving you a more efficient and streamlined workflow. But here's the catch. While EzPromote AI is a powerhouse, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's crucial to understand that, like any tool, it requires some learning to use effectively. However, the interface is incredibly user-friendly, and there are plenty of tutorials and resources available to help you get started. As we wrap up, if you're looking for a software that simplifies digital marketing, automates your tasks, and helps you scale faster, EzPromote AI might be exactly what you need. And remember, you can try it for free by clicking the first link below. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Lastly, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of my top recommendations for digital marketing and growth software. Check out the description for links to these tools, which you can also try for free. So if you're ready to elevate your marketing game with the power of AI, give EzPromote AI a shot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.